This is a short video to show you how to go about using Google Docs, specifically how to create an image in Spreadsheet and then import it into the presentation mode in Google Docs. I'm in the home page of Google Docs and I have one presentation that I've already made with a couple of slides in it, and I have another one which is just a spreadsheet file and the icons look different. To create a new graph, you just go under the left hand side here under Create, go to Spreadsheet, and that pulls up a blank spreadsheet, and I'm just going to type in some data here. I'm going to call the data samples 1, 2 and 3 and associate them with some numbers like this. Choose the data that you want in the selection and go to Insert, and in this case insert a chart. You have to choose the type of chart that you want, and I like this column graph over here. Alternatively, you can go to Charts here and select any type of chart that you want and go to Insert, and this is what the chart looks like. Then you want to edit the chart. To do this, click anywhere on the graph once, left click, and when you do that you'll see this drop down menu appear. The drop down menu has a number of choices. We're going to select Edit Chart, and then you can go to Customize the chart. So these are the things that you can do. You can give the chart a title. You can decide where the legend should go, or in this case I don't want the legend, so I can check the None. In terms of labeling the vertical axis, I can do that just by selecting this option here. I can choose a maximum and a minimum. I can choose 0 for the minimum, and maximum I can choose 100. And what the graph will do is it will put this at 100 instead of 80. I can then go to the horizontal and choose a title for the horizontal axis and go Update. And now my graph is updated. So that's how you go about creating a graph. Now you actually have to save the graph. To do this, click on the window of the graph and go to Save Image. On a Macintosh, I've got it set up to automatically save it to the Downloads folder. It depends on how you've got your computer saved as to where it's going to save. Most people save it to the desktop. Here is the chart itself. All I have to do to save it to the desktop is go Save As and save it to the desktop. And when I do that, here it is. Here is the graph right here. Now all I have to do is import it into the document itself. In order to go into the presentation, I click on Documents. It pulls up everything that I have. I haven't titled this graph, so it's just titled Untitled Spreadsheet. I then go into AMP Presentations. I want to put it in a new slide, so I click the plus button here, which creates a new slide. I want a blank presentation for that slide. I can put it there if I want to, and then under the Insert menu simply go to Insert Image and find it on your computer, and this simply inserts it where you want. So that's how you go about doing all of this.